In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze header in Wix. If you want your website's header to stay visible while visitors scroll down the page, Wix makes that very simple. A fixed header can be really helpful because it keeps your menu, logo, and important navigation links accessible at all times. This can improve the browsing experience and make your site feel more polished and professional. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor and go to the page where you want to apply this change. Once you're there, click directly on your header section. Make sure you're selecting the actual header and not just an individual element inside it, like a logo or menu. When the header is selected properly, you'll see options appear above it. From those options, click on Change Header Behavior. This is where Wix lets you control how the header acts as visitors move through the page. In this menu, look for the header overlap setting and change it to standard. This is an important step because it ensures the header behaves in a more traditional way and avoids overlapping content in a way that could affect visibility or layout while scrolling. After that, go back to the header options and click on Scroll Effects. Inside the scroll settings, choose Stay Fixed. This tells Wix to keep the header locked in place as someone scrolls down the page, instead of letting it move away with the rest of the content. Once you enable that option, your header will remain visible at the top of the screen while visitors scroll through your site. That's all you need to do. As a quick tip, after making this change, preview your site and test the scrolling behavior to make sure everything looks clean and works the way you want. Pay attention to whether the fixed header covers any text or images near the top of your page. If it does, you may need to add a little extra spacing in your layout so the content still feels easy to read. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how users navigate your website, especially on pages with a lot of content. And that's how you freeze a header in Wix.